Hey, what up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Talks once again, and today we're going to react to SB19. Where You At The Making Film, Episode 3. Let's go. I know they took this down maybe a couple of times, but may issue daw. Ewan ko kung anong issue, hindi ko na inalam kasi hindi ako interesado sa mga ganyang issue. For me, it's just their music, kung ano yung private life nila. It's them. Like, at the end of the day, they're just human beings, and you need to respect their flaws kung meron, kasi no one is perfect. So I don't want to discuss this further, so let's just go to the reaction and let's see how they actually made the making actually made the Where You At music video. And plus, guys, I don't want you guys to comment anything about the issue on the comment section. I don't care about that. Yeah, let's go. Heart and soul, yeah. The making.
Tapos po, yung kay Pablo, baka po pwede gumawa tayo ng something na unexpected. Parang, ano po kasi tayo, parang vibe ay sa part.
Ang naisip ko lang po, total nasa diner. Parang may something na iconic scene from a movie na gagawin ko sa diner. Parang medyo
okay.
tapos babalik ko sa ikot. Tapos pag-ikot, boom! Parang gano'n.
Sila lahat pala yung nagdesisyon ng mga ganun, mga shots, no?
Lahat yan, pero yung background, naka-green screen. So we'll do everything in post na.
Ken naman, so that's more than enough. Ay, yeah, Ken and Joseph, that's more than enough. And then yung 8 to 11 kasi that's the rented hour for filling station.
Eight to 11, 18, and 19.
Ian from Asian Pride, hip-hop dancer din. Ako pa si Pablo, TikTok dancer.
Dito po kami ngayon sa
TikTok dance.
bigger studio para po makapag-practice with the dancers and with the roommates. I-rehearse namin yung mga mangyayari talaga sa music video. Kaya mag-warm up na muna kami.
You wanna see some crazy and also lazy, then you should meet me and my friends. Even though we got no money, for sure it's so funny. Yeah,
Galing.
everything's better with them. We're just
Sana all.
Parang nakalimutan ko na.
Uy, ba't ang gagaling naman agad nila? Nung una nakabutos pa si Pablo ng wala.
6, 7, 8, so sad. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and step, and up, and so sad. And 1, 2, 3, so sad.
Okay lang? Okay ka lang?
So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh. You see, we just like to live right. And we're
Si Ken talaga.
we don't wanna be like you. Oh, 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 oh.
5, 6, where you at? 3, and 1, 2.
Galing mag-choreo nitong si Stel.
One come, 1 and 2 and tap in my heart and soul.
Ito yung first ko with the group. Sobrang impressed talaga ako. Na-mirror kung paano ako as a dancer din. May attention to details, very masipag. Alice, B.A. Electric Pad. Nice.
Galing.
Maganda yung blocking mo doon, Paul. Dapat doon ka sa singit na to. Huwag mag-bounce ka lang. Pull talaga. Parang first time ewan. 5, 6, 7, 10. Alice, ta. Woo! Better.
Ay. Tinatry niya talaga. Ay, sana all. Mga taga-freezer, mapapasana all na lang. May yumakap, may yakapan na nangyari, guys.
Chacharatcha.
Pahayag ba kayo dyan? May yakapan na nangyari. Actually, na-spoil na ako dyan sa Twitter. Kaya dapat iniiwasan talaga Twitter.
Okay lang po. Thank you, parang
Ayaw na.
tumingin ka lang sa salamin. Ay, joke lang.
Actually, lahat sila meron akong napipick na medyo similar sa akin. Like, yung pagiging artistic ni Justin, yung biglang sumusulpot na ideas din ni Pablo, tsaka ni Josh, tsaka ni Ken. Tapos, yung choreographic talent din ni Stel. Nakikita ko yung sarili
They're
ko sa
working together just like one single person.
Guys, next naman sayaw tayo ng walang rollerblades. Sila magti-tricks lang po kayo. Ikot-ikot sa amin. Pwede rin nakasteady sa gilid.
Favorite niya mag-dive ng ganun.
Halata.
Namura tuloy si Ken.
Nilamig.
Ano ba?
Lately, I've been feeling disconnected. Energy, feel me, makes me divine.
Hey, room vocals, bro.
Music!
kompleto na po namin lahat. Kino-connect na po namin para bukas.
Sino kaya nagsabi na nakakaiyak kayo?
Be what you are, like what you feel. Don't let the colors fade when it's hard to deal. So pick up the dice, give it a roll.
Feel na feel ni Pablo.
Get yourself up when you left out alone. We think we know.
Thank you po.
Abangan na po, siguro enjoy lang bukas. Kasi bukod sa skills, mas pinakamahalaga yung expression. Kailangan masaya ka.
Sana all ganun yung balbas. Yung
Ang gusto ko
katulad ni
talaga
Pablo.
sila makilala
Ang kapal naman
internationally.
niya.
As in, sobrang deserve nila. Deserve nila yung nangyayari
Bakit
sa
kasi
kanila
hindi tumutubo
ngayon.
dito?
Kasi
Oo.
sobrang hard
Deserve
worker
nga nila.
sila. Not only na love nila yung ginagawa nila, pero they really put their heart into it.
True. Kita naman yun eh. Kita naman yan sa mga nire-release nila. Di mga... Ayun na yun. Di ba nga sabi nga ni...
Abdi lang po yan. Isa. Uy, huwag ito ah. One, two.
Ayun nga, di ba nga sabi ni Justin, kahit gustuhin man nilang maglabas ng panibagong music, hindi nila basta maggawa kasi gusto nila yung ihahain nila sa mga fans nila is talagang pinag-isipan at talagang pinag-effortan nila na bilang grupo. And it makes sense. So yeah. Before we close this, again, going back dun sa sa issue, is not because I don't care. It's because I don't want this issue to go further, because I don't think it's even worth it. And if you made it this far, may prank tayo sa mga hindi nanood ng buong reaction at nag-skip. Ngayon, gusto ko sa comment section isulat nyo ay pangit ako. Ako, hindi kayo. Lagay nyo sa comment section. Pangit ka. Tapos angry emoji. Ha? Mga pinaggagawa yun. Anyway, guys, this is Talks once again, and this was Where You At, the Making Film Episode 3 of SB19. Let's go. This is Talks, and thank you very much for sticking around. I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao.